Technology is always changing, and we can expect all sorts of new initiatives to take place in the next 5 years that will change how we live. We looked across all the top technology publications, and below are some of the most interesting top technology trends we see coming in the next several years. Today we discuss about top 7 technology trends in the next 5 years. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Number 7. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a type of computing that uses quantum principles, including quantum entanglement and superposition. This intriguing science trend in technology is also part of preventing the spread of viruses and developing new vaccines. These things are possible with quantum computing because of the ease of monitoring, querying, and acting on data, no matter the source. What does that say about our personal data and how it is utilized, though? Quantum computing technology also should be of use in the future trends in finance and banking to reduce credit risk and detect fraud. Its effect on science is another related trend for the software. Think, expanded science can mean expanded industry and growth. Quantum computers are now much faster than conventional computers, and large brands of computers are now making significant advances in quantum computing. The quick advance of quantum computing has granted a big spot as part of the top technology trends of 2023. Does your business want to invest in a quantum computer? Let us know in the comment below. Number 6. 3D printing. Advanced 3D printing is another item within this realm of emerging technologies. 3D printing poses the question: can you manufacture without the heavy manufacturing processes normally required? Robotic process automation in 3D printing technology might make manufacturing things as simple as asking a machine for a part. Many of the global trends have a trend within a trend, making it important for the business world to adopt these top trends. Some sources estimate that the emerging technology robotic process automation will threaten the jobs of more than 200 million people and up to 9% of the workforce around the globe. Robotic process automation, however, also will create new technology jobs, and it is believed that most jobs can only be partially automated, not entirely replaced. Number 5. AI. Artificial intelligence will grow by leaps and bounds in the next few years. Recently, the idea of artificial intelligence technology has advanced as researchers and data scientists have found more innovative ways to use the tech trend. We think one area that will expand rapidly for artificial intelligence, AI, is for consumers. A great example of this is the Teak Smart Cube, an AI-driven power adapter designed to help users save on energy bills. The Teak outlet is a breakthrough technology trend that is utilizing versatile hardware and smart software to turn the energy consumers of today into conservers of tomorrow. With artificial intelligence and a clever hardware design, it will make your home smarter, energy bills smaller, and the planet greener. A growing worry of artificial intelligence replacing human jobs will increase in the next decade. Human beings will need to resort to what we do best with emotions and creativity. This will be the decade of robot and human interaction and collaboration, both a decade of fear and promise for the human generation. Number 4. Blockchain. Many of us only think about blockchain technology in terms of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. However, blockchain technology offers many types of security that are beneficial in other areas. Blockchain is data that only can be added to and cannot be taken from or changed. Because the digital data cannot be changed, it makes it extremely secure. Also, blockchain software is driven by consensus, so no one person or organization controls the data. Blockchain means there isn't a third-party gatekeeper keeping control of the transactions or the total software. Adoption of blockchain businesses, models, and services. Blockchain will also create new business models that have not been thought about. With increased ownership over new digital world organizations, products and services can be created and sold in unique ways. Blockchain is one of the technology trends that is ever expanding into digital use cases from finance to healthcare to beyond. This is an emerging technology in the digital world. Number 3. Drones. Many people think drones will be much more common by upcoming trends in 2024 and 2025. Right now, Drones are mainly used only by videographers and photographers. But soon, trends say drone technology will be cheap enough that a lot of people will want to own them. And with improved technology, they will be able to be flown for many hours at a time without a recharge. Drones also will not require permission from the government in the next few years, so they could be used for more things. For instance, trends say drones may be used more to find people or animals that are lost. There also could be more use of drones to deliver consumer goods. Drones could also be used as part of connected devices too. Connecting and remotely controlling a drone from a phone or other digital device is not even a future trend anymore. There will be a time soon when none of us can go through a day without seeing a drone. Distributed swarm drones may fly across neighborhoods and cities, delivering packages, food, and more. This leaves room for new companies, business, and technologies to help fuel this trend. Think about how there might be a need in the future for mailboxes to have drones delivered. Adoption requires a new stream of future technology and companies too. Reduces the cost of keeping the data by categorizing it according to a management point of view. Data can be kept on locations on the edge, so it reduces the cost of bandwidth. Number 2. Edge computing. One of the major concerns for many organizations today is the lag that can affect trends in how operations are managed. That is why many industries are concentrating on how efficient and responsive computers are so data can be analyzed as quickly as possible. This is where edge computing comes into the picture. Edge computing brings computer processes and data storage technology closer to organizations and reduces response times and lowers the amount of bandwidth used. Some advantages of edge technology that we will see in the future trends are: boost cybersecurity to a new level by reducing problems with privacy regulations, local compliance, and the sovereignty of data. While many think that edge computing makes the possibility of cyber attacks more likely, the truth is that it reduces the impact on the organization if an attack occurs. Computer speed will increase dramatically with edge computing as it reduces latency. For instance, self-driving cars need faster computer processes because every fraction of a second the vehicle is moving is critical. Data analysis is limited to the edge, so processing speeds can be massively accelerated. Reduces the cost of keeping the data by categorizing it according to a management point of view. Data can be kept on locations on the edge, so it reduces the cost of bandwidth. How can your companies use edge computing? How can the adoption of this new technology create global strategic innovations of the decade? Greater growth in data and analytics for industries following these new technologies is certain. Number 1. Virtual and augmented reality. Augmented reality and virtual reality are two sides of the metaverse. Augmented reality could increase advertising space in the real world with new special glasses. Virtual reality would in itself create a whole new digital area for advertising. The technology still has some catching up to do until it could be considered one of the rapidly emerging technologies. The big driver of the metaverse experience is gaming trends. As the metaverse's technical capabilities grow, more games will be available there that completely immerse you in the experience. And that life-changing experience is what will make people move to the metaverse. This also begs the question, what is reality? And will virtual reality take over the real world? Real estate in the metaverse is a trend within the reality environment. Put on your glasses to see your virtual real estate mansions. Booming real estate businesses within the virtual environment are fresh and new. So why is the metaverse part of the tech trends? It could be summarized with this one point. We could eventually get to the point where people live most of their lives in the metaverse. The expansion of the metaverse is one of the bigger technology trends. What do you think about the metaverse? It can change the world.